Hello, today we will guide you through how to take partial profit on TradeLocker. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to reduce an open position so you can lock in gains while keeping part of the trade running. This is a practical way to manage risk and secure profits when price has moved in your favor, but you still want exposure to the move. Start by opening TradeLocker and loading the ZQSD market. We're using ZQSD as the example here, but the exact same process works for any symbol you're trading. Make sure you're looking at the correct chart and account so you're managing the right position. Next, open the Positions panel. This is where all your active trades appear. Take a moment to confirm the position size, entry price, and current unrealized profit so you know exactly what you're about to close. Verifying these details helps prevent mistakes, especially if you have multiple trades open. Now locate the close icon next to your ZQSD position. On TradeLocker, this appears as an X inside a small square, typically on the right side of the position row. If you hover over it, you should see a tooltip confirming it will close the position. That's the control you'll use to close part of the trade. Click that close icon. A close dialog will open, giving you a field to specify how much of the position you want to close. This is where you set up the partial profit. You can type a specific quantity or adjust the value to represent the portion you want to exit. For example, if you intend to take half off, enter roughly half of your current size. Double check the units shown in the dialog so you're closing the intended amount, not the entire position. Once you've entered the partial size, click Close to execute. The platform will process the order and realize profit on the portion you closed while leaving the remainder of your position open. After the order fills, look back at the positions panel to confirm that your position size has decreased and review your realized profit line to see the amount captured. If you trade in fast markets, give it a moment for the update to appear. That's all there is to it. By opening the ZQSD market using the Positions panel, selecting the close icon, entering the partial amount, and confirming, you've successfully taken partial profit on TradeLocker. Consider noting the new position size in your trading journal and keep an eye on price action for any further adjustments you plan to make. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.